Auto layout in Figma is a feature that helps designers to create dynamic and responsive designs that adjust automatically based on the size of the screen or device. With auto layout, designers can create constraints and relationships between different elements on the design canvas, making it easy to create designs that are flexible and scalable. Some key features of auto layout in Figma include constraints. Designers can set constraints for each element, such as the distance between elements, width and height, and the position of elements relative to each other. Auto-resizing. When the size of the design canvas changes, elements will automatically resize based on the constraints set by the designer. This makes it easy to create designs that are optimized for different screen sizes and devices. Auto-arrangement. With auto-arrangement, elements can be automatically arranged in a grid-like layout based on the constraints set by the designer. This makes it easy to create consistent designs that are easy to maintain. Resize handles. Figma's auto layout feature comes with resize handles that make it easy to resize elements. The handles will automatically adjust based on the constraints set by the designer, making it easy to see how changes will affect the overall design. Grouping and layers. Designers can group elements together and apply constraints to the group as a whole. This makes it easy to manage large designs and maintain consistency. Overall, auto layout in Figma is a powerful feature that makes it easy for designers to create dynamic and responsive designs. Let's see how to apply the auto layout property to an object in Figma. Let us take a new file. Click on the Figma icon on the top left and go to the File menu and then click on the New Design file. Here is our new file. Now let's create a frame using the Frame tool from the top toolbar. Select the Frame tool and then choose Dimensions. I am choosing Desktop MacBook Air dimensions. To create an object or component, let's take a rectangle tool and then draw on the canvas to create a rectangle. Take one more small rectangle on top of it with different fill colors and stroke colors. Increase the stroke weight. Create two more duplicates of the same rectangle. Hold the Alt key and drag to duplicate the rectangle. Now select all the rectangles and click on Create Component button from the top toolbar. Select the component that you want to apply auto layout to by clicking on it in the canvas. Go to the Auto Layout panel. The Auto Layout panel can be found in the Properties Inspector on the right side of the Figma interface. In the Auto Layout panel, you can add constraints by clicking the plus button. Now adjust the space between the rectangles and padding from the component. Spacing will be adjusted between all the rectangles automatically. Click on the vertical direction to change the direction of the rectangles. You can also select each rectangle from the component to change the width or height as required. You can see that the container width or height will be adjusted automatically. By duplicating a rectangle using Ctrl+D and then adjusting the height or width of the rectangles, you can see how the layout or container adjusts accordingly in Figma's responsive mode. This is a great way to see how auto layout can make your designs more dynamic and adaptable. By using auto layout and duplicating rectangles, you can quickly experiment with different layouts and see how they look on different screen sizes and resolutions. This can save a lot of time compared to manually adjusting the position of each element every time you make a change. To check the canvas stacking property from the auto layout, let's decrease the space between the rectangles until they overlap and then go to Auto Layout Advanced Properties. In the Advanced Properties panel, you'll see the Canvas Stacking options. You can use these options first on top or last on top to change the canvas stacking order of the rectangles. Choose the desired alignment option. The Auto Layout Alignment tools include options for aligning elements to the left, right, top, bottom, or center of the frame. By using the Auto Layout Alignment tools, you can quickly and easily align elements in your design, making it easier to create clean, organized layouts that are easy to read and understand. The alignment tools are also useful for making sure that elements are consistently positioned across different screen sizes and resolutions. The Auto Layout feature in Figma provides a flexible and powerful way to create many types of design objects, including bar charts, menu items, gallery previews, and more. Thank you for watching and have a great day. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.